The big question that will be in your mind at this particular moment is that why do we need we have to create a date calendar. Let me go to let me just go to the view. So I'll have to create a date calendar. I think you but why don't we just use we have a table with columns with the month number with the March date. Why don't we just use it the match date from our table? Well, because if we do that, we're going to miss days with no games, and our charts will have gaps, and the time intelligence, like the month to date and the year to date, won't work. So the best practice is to create one dedicated date table for the whole tournament. And so to do this, I would use the calendar function, the calendar date, in order to do this. Okay, so let us start writing our measure. So yeah, I'm going to go to a new table, and then this we're just going to call it date table, and then so I want to bring this down. I will bring it down. I will hit shift and then enter. We're going to go with add columns, and then add column, and then we hold shift and then we enter. So this time around we're going to go with our calendar. Okay, let's just grab it from here, and here we want date, and then the AFCON, the match was played, that was on 2000. Then was in January, right? Then we go with our date. So we just say we just put a date, right? Since the match is started from January 22nd up till, I think it should be February, if I'm not February 13, something like that, right? Yep. So we just going to say, okay, it started from January to March. Let's just take it that way, January to March. Let's close this. Okay, shift and then we'll go down. We're gonna go with the year. Comma, the year, date. Pick our date. Think we need the square bracket here as well. No, no. Okay, we don't need this other one. Okay, go with our dates and then we give a comma, shift and then enter. We equally want our month number. Go to month number and then month date. Just grab the month. Let's go with this. Give a comma, shift, we hit enter. Go with month. and then we want to format it. Format. Want to format it. Let's go with Let's close my parentheses. Sharp. Nope, not done yet. This is not. Shift enter, and then here we equally want day. Day. Date. Give a comma. Go down. Then we equally want day name. We want to format. We're going to equally format this format. Format this as and then we narrow the week, which is week number. You should have week number somewhere. Okay. Date. And this should be from this to this from that should be 21. And tournament day now, when the tournament was started. So I'll go with the date. Tournament date started on the 22nd February, 22nd of January, sorry. And then date. Think I've seen what's this? And this will be the day. It's going to be +1. Let's close this and see what we get. I'm seeing an error here somewhere. No, this is not supposed to be. Should be there. This is supposed to be a comma. Then it's argument 8. 6, 8. Okay. We have this square bracket here as well. Okay, I think this should be okay now. So we don't have any issue. So let us commit. Great. So we have our date. We have our calendar table here. Created our calendar table. There is another thing I would like to do. This the date format. I think I really want the format to be. Don't want yep, commit. I want to reduce this just to Jan, like Feb Jan, and then Saturday should no. Yeah, like this. Voilà. Okay. So now we're going to build our data. We are not going to data modeling. That is to build our relationship. And